see good now.
Shit, ugly that fucker.
Bye. Tell my girl. Casey waiting for me to sleep, huh?
Not on.
It's off.
You guys want to see the Tonga's most ugliest guy? Just look right across the table from you, Janelle. Right across the table. Look, ladies and gentlemen, here he is! Shonen Liu Fale!
Across the table.
Across the table.
You drunk, guys?
Shonen Liu Fale, ladies and gentlemen. In second place.
In second place.
Cover Phoenix! There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Number 1 and 2. Thank you.